Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're having trouble with your Sony TV remote not working, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through some common issues and solutions to get that remote back in action. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech tips and solutions. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the basics. The first step is to check the basics. Make sure the batteries in your remote are not dead. It sounds simple, but it's a common oversight. Swap out the old batteries for new ones and see if that resolves the issue. To replace the batteries, simply open the battery compartment on the back of the remote, remove the old batteries, and insert the new ones. Make sure they're inserted correctly, following the polarity markings. Step 2. Resetting the remote. If changing the batteries doesn't work, try resetting the remote. To do this, remove the batteries, press and hold any button on the remote for 15 seconds, and then reinsert the batteries. This can help clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Pairing the remote. Sony TV remotes are often paired with the TV. If the pairing is lost, the remote may stop working. To repair it, follow these steps. On your Sony TV, go to Settings, then find the Remote Control or Accessory section. Look for an option to pair remote or something similar. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Step 4. Ensure line of sight. Sometimes, the remote might not work if there's an obstacle between it and the TV. Make sure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the TV sensor. Remove any objects blocking the path and try using the remote again. Step 5. Software update. Check if your Sony TV has the latest firmware or software update. Outdated software can sometimes cause remote issues. Go to the TV settings, navigate to System or Software Update, and follow the prompts to ensure your TV is running the latest software. Conclusion. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to fix a Sony TV remote that's not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. If you have any other tips or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.